All right, welcome to Learn Why. We're going to jump right into this one. We actually have a new product coming out by Marty Englander. And last week, he actually had a course that came out, and it was thumbnail automations. A lot of you picked that up and are on your way to creating thumbnails automatically for your business. What Marty is building is an ecosystem that is full of him teaching you how to take your solopreneur business and put it on autopilot and to use AI and just using it in depth and getting more technical in the things that AI and automation can actually do for you, right? So this is stuff that I have not seen on YouTube videos or channels. Marty is going out and doing the research and spending putting the sweat equity into this to teach people how he's able to do this in his own business. And in this case, he's got a product coming out called Video Enhancing Automation. And so basically what you're going to be doing with this one is you're going to be able to automatically create your YouTube titles, automatically create descriptions, automatically create the timestamps, and automatically create your tags. Now, of course, we can go and use ChatGPT. You really would need ChatGPT 4, so that's going to be $20 a month, but you're going to need to go in there and manually still do this, even though we have AI. So now we've come to a place where we have AI that can speed up the process for us. But let's say you manage 4 YouTube channels. I have about 6 YouTube channels that I would love to post content on daily, but I just can't because I don't have the time to do all of these things right here, to do the thumbnail. Researching and recording the video is going to take enough time as it is. And then you have all these things afterwards in the publishing process with YouTube videos that you are not going to be able to manage, your workload. You're going to have just too much on your plate to do. And so what Marty is doing in this course right here is teaching you how we can literally just create our video, drag and drop it into a folder once everything's set up, and it will automatically create our title, an amazing description that is 100% on point based on the actual video, and then automatically going to create timestamps and automatically create our tags. It is brilliant, brilliant, brilliant what Marty has discovered how to do this. And once you learn how to do this and start learning from him how he's using these automation tools to put them all together, you can virtually do almost anything you need to for your business and get it done on autopilot using AI. Okay, so really, really cool. This in combination with that thumbnail automation, you can build out a prompt where you literally or a workflow using AI software that you can drag and drop a video into a folder, and it would automatically create your thumbnail and automatically do all the stuff for you. So super, super cool stuff. We'll come through here. And this is going to be available. This is coming out. I'm recording this a little ahead of time, but this is coming out August 3rd, 2023. And so I'm going to show you access to it as well. So he does have some limited time bonuses for if you do pick this up. These will probably go away after some time, but this is going to be a bonus number 1, private one-click automation template. So I believe he's giving away the template that you are able to upload. You'll gain access to the never seen before one-click video enhancing template ready for you to import, connect, and use to automate your YouTube videos just like us. So that one's really cool. And then prompting, blogging, reviews, keyword research, mastered ChatGPT prompts, his list of his best ChatGPT prompts, personalized 20 personalized high quality thumbnail templates. You can use these for your video backgrounds and so forth, just to get you started, and lifetime access to support. So good stuff here. This is Marty right over here, and definitely would not be promoting his products if I did not believe in the vendor and what they stand for, and that they will take care of you, and that the quality of the product is there for sure. So we'll go and take a look. I'm on inside of his ecosystem. Once you join his brainyautomations.com, that's where he's, that's the major website where he has a ton of different courses in there and different membership levels and stuff as well. But this is the course in particular, Video Enhancing Automation, that is literally just launching at the time of recording this video. I actually watched the whole thing. I forgot to push the complete lesson on all these other here, but a couple things on Marty's teaching style. It is probably pretty similar to mine as far as he just gets right to the point. There's no fluff or anything like that. He just gets right to the point. You can literally sit through, and I recommend watching. I was able to watch this entire course in about maybe 30 minutes, 35 minutes. It isn't a really long course or anything like that. It's not like a 3-hour course or anything like that. But the knowledge that you'll gain from this small course right here is just tremendous, because you haven't seen it before. And usually when people teach something even similar, remotely comparable on YouTube, they just leave things out, right? And Marty is showing you exactly what to do in order to set this up. What's really cool is that you are able to come into the settings here, and I recommend you can even go into normal and you can watch it on 1.5 or 1.25 or 2x. I recommend 1.5, and you can actually watch the entire thing. I recommend one pass at it, watch it on 1.5, and then go in and watch it again on normal mode, and especially focusing on this section, the setup over here. You'll have a very, very good understanding by that time of everything that he's covering and what you need to do. And then right over here, this is where you'll really dive in. One of the videos is 20 minutes long, and that is where you're going to learn the most, and that's where he's actually showing you the 100% setup and every step of the way, no stone left unturned. So really, really cool stuff.